So in this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram will restrict certain activity easily and fast. First thing guys you have to do is open your Instagram and go to the top corner, click on those three lines, and then you have to click on the settings. First thing you wanna do here is click on the help, click on report problem, click on report problem without checking, and now go to here and you need now to send a message into the Instagram support team and tell them with the problem that you have and send also a screenshot of the problem and click next, and they will help you in just a few hours. And if they didn't help you, then you may have to see what the problem is. For example, if you have any problem with the messages, or you have to remove the message that is not good to the community guidelines, and also if you have any post that it's not good, you have to remove it. And that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.